Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Outlook emails to new computer. Alright, so let's begin. Whether you're setting up a brand new device or just switching temporarily, having access to your emails is essential, and I'll walk you through a simple way to make that happen. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.com. Once you're there, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click next to access your inbox. Now that you're inside your Outlook account, you have a couple of options for transferring your emails. The easiest method is simply logging into your Outlook account on your new computer. Your emails will sync automatically. But if you want a backup or need to transfer specific emails, you can save them to an external drive. To do this, go to your inbox and select the email or emails you want to transfer. Then click on the three dots menu, usually found in the top right corner of the email view. From the drop-down options, look for download. You'll be asked to choose a file format, typically EML or MSG. EML works with many email clients, while MSG is more specific to Microsoft Outlook. Choose your preferred format and save the file to your external hard drive or USB device. Once the emails are saved, you can safely remove the drive and plug it into your new computer. From there, simply copy the files over and open them using your email application. And that's it. This is how you can transfer Outlook emails to new computer. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.